side. Go ahead and reach that right arm up tall towards the ceiling or the sky and take some big circles. Gently dropping that hand right back down towards the mat and pressing ourselves up to all fours, engaging again through our core. We'll go ahead and drop our belly down towards the mat, setting our gaze high, and then reversing that, rounding through our back, taking some cat-cows. Warming up our body. Really thinking about your shoulders and your core here. So as we round, really pulling our belly button into our spine. And as you inhale, gaze goes high, rolling our shoulders down and away from our ears. So our whole body's engaged and we are getting a really good stretch here. Cat-cows are awesome. Go ahead and find ourselves right back at center, nice flat back. And we'll go ahead and reach our left leg back, pressing through the heel, getting a big stretch in that calf. Go ahead and release a little and press right back. We'll bring our shoulders in alignment right over our wrists as we send that leg high behind us as the opposite arm